Beef prices are high, but right now beef consumption is expected to decline in 2021 on a per capita basis. So tell us, what's going on, Derrell?
Sure. Well, when we look at per capita consumption, by itself it doesn't tell us much about beef demand because, per capita consumption is really a measure of supply. Beef is perishable, so certainly on an annual basis, if we produce more, we'll eat more. If we produce less, we'll eat less. So we have to look at the prices in conjunction with quantity to tell us much about demand.
So what do we know about beef demand right now?
Well, in the early part of 2021, both beef production and beef prices are high, which is an indication of very strong demand, and that's certainly the way I would assess it. As we go through the year, we think beef production may actually be down slightly for the year, and when we adjust that for trade, for net exports, and also a little bit of population growth, then that's why we think the per capita consumption will go down in 2021. But that doesn't mean that beef demand is going down because, again, prices are much stronger. It looks like beef demand is very, very strong.
And what factors are influencing this demand?
Well, we're always looking at price and quantity of beef, but in addition to that, we're looking at other factors that affect beef demand. So the other meats, we look at pork and poultry prices, we look at consumer income levels, and obviously economic growth right now is a big part of the strong demand. So we take into account all of those factors, plus just the underlying preferences that people have for beef and whether or not there's any trends in that we observe over time.
And how are consumer demands, preferences kind of changing things up?
We've seen a lot of change in beef products over time in terms of quality, in terms of the number of products, and so on. So, for example, if we look at choice and prime grading, that has increased dramatically in recent years. We've gone from about 56% choice grading 15 years ago to about 75% now. Prime grading has gone from about 4% just a few years ago up to about 11% now. So quality of beef has gone up, and we continually produce more products. We fabricate them into more and more specific products, more boneless products, other kinds of things that consumers demand. And all of that adds value, and it adds to our total beef demand.
All right, thanks, Derrell. Derrell Peel, Livestock Marketing Specialist here at Oklahoma State University.